you're new here, I'm Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I will going to do a saving challenges. The money that you see here is our leftover budget from last month. So this leftover money will be rolled over into different saving challenges. So let's start with the coins first. So let's do the coins first. And if you knew me, I never leave my coin pouch empty. So there's a little bit more here. And let's take out the bigger coins first. $5, $10, and the rest will be on the saving challenge. So this is my $10. This is my $5 coin jar. And these two that you see here is the cents and the $1 and $2. So for that, let's see where I put the coin saving challenge. Here. This coin saving challenge is I purchased it months back from the Joe and Payfee of Still Trying Mama. I'm nearly finished this one, so let's see if we can finish it today. Hopefully, maybe, but my coins here is not so much. So let's see. $1, and let's see if we go for the bigger amount, bigger coins first. $4.60, $4.60. So one. Let's open this one up. So $2 and $4.60. $4.70. $4.70. $4.80. Let's see. Oh, there's no 80 cents. So let's go to the next front. And I don't think I can do it like that. So let's calculate this. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $10.40. Let's see here. $10.40 minus 4.8. So 4.8. So minus 3.9. No, not 3.9. 5.6. So make sure it's 2.8 and 2.7. Yeah. Minus 2.7 minus 2.8. 10 cents. Let's leave 10 cents there. Okay, 2.7 and 2.9. So it's $5.60. Okay. It's nearly finished. Yay! Hopefully no one touched this except me, but let's hope when I count this money. Sorry for my voice. I'm still sick. This is the second video that I film on the same day, so just bear with me, please. The next one is going to be our leftover. Let's see how much is it, and I just move this one back first. So how much is this? 20, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 220. Now let's recount. I'm confused. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 200, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 250. So let's skip the emergency B, because we don't have much. So what I'm going to do is I put here something at least 35, 40. Let's put $50. $50 for mystery puzzle. Where is it? Hold on. Here. Because this one is for my second daughter graduation. If you're new here and you don't know what's this for, this is from Rock's Budget. I purchased it last year, but still I didn't finish it yet. But I'm hopefully I will finish it this year or before the end of this year. So let's color this. So $50, right? I just color one then. Mm-hmm. And let's put here. I will not call it. I'll just update it later on. So next one. So for triple play, let's see what's the weather. So I pre-recorded it, and today I don't want to say tell a lie. So today is, as you can see, it's June 6th. Excuse me. So it's June 6th. Let's see the weather. So in Hong Kong, it's 27 degrees and it's cloudy. As you can see, it's rainy here. So 27, and let's roll the dice. One dice. So 3. So I will make it smaller. So 9. 9 plus 6 plus 3. So it's $18. I'll put 20 here then. Triple play. Where is it? Here. So $30 additional. Let's see if I have IOU here. No. So it's $20. Next one is for Save with Judy. I'm still so far behind this one. So one icon is $5. And in a month, you have to save 25. So in May, I have to save 25. So I don't have $5. So let's put 30 then. Save with Judy, and let's color. Ah, this is my new one. Tulip. How are you? How's your week pass by? In Hong Kong, still it's raining, as I said last time for my video. And I am new to my job, and I don't know if I will last there. I will last long there because my colleague is, I don't know. I don't want to complain. I already worked with them before as a part-timer, but now I'm a full-time there. So I'm thinking about if if I can stay longer or not, because I know how does it work in there. But now it's more worse than before. So let's see if I can stay that long. But for now, I'm thankful that I have a full-time job now, so my husband can take a rest for a while and do her do his things that he want to do and take a rest and relax for a bit and come back again and work again. He really need a break because he's working too hard, and I think he really wants to stay in Philippines for a month or so. So one more, and I hope after he relax there, and when he came back here, he will be more energetic. So now he's going to Philippines next month. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So let's put it inside. And there's an IOU here of $3. So let's take out these coins then and put 10. So no more IOUs there. So for this, for the plans and budget, let's do a $2 each. $2 each. And let's put $10. No, maybe just make it $5 then. I'm still thinking if I can do $2 each or $5. So just make $5. That's why I always correct. There's always correction there. So $5. Oh, why I put should be green. Yeah. And next, let's put 2 for now. So add $10, and I think, do I have IOU here? No, but there's a coins anyway. So for next one, let me see how much we have here. I still have more. Put 30, and let's color this. 22, I want darker one, and 8. Let's see, 40, so another 30, 16 plus 40. I need some more. Or this one. Next time. Okay, just stop for now here, and let's see if I can go back and do again. So for Save 2024 in 2024, this is from the Almost Organized Owl. And I will not count this, so I'll just put it back. By the way, the one with this one is from Miss Judy. Oh, I didn't say it. Save with Judy. This one. Okay, next one. This is from Christy Budgets. I'm far behind with this one, and I think I owe something here. Yeah, you see, I owe $12. Let's pay that I owe you there first. So $12, and let's do this. Supposed to. So what the deal? So what you got about this one? It's from Christy, a Filipino YouTuber, also a budgeter and cash stuffer. She's also have a channel in YouTube. If you want to support her or visit her, you can go to Christy Budget's YouTube channel. So this saving challenges is a purchase before the start of this year, but still I didn't finish yet. I'm still on the April and May. So as you can see, I colored red here because that's a public holiday in Hong Kong. So if my dice land on that color, it means that I will double the amount. So let's see if I will not, if I owe today or no. Let's finish April first. So today for April 7, 7. Why? There's a dice. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13. 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19. So let's see how much and our money is enough or no. 13 plus 19 plus 7. Oh, 7. Again, 13 plus 19 plus 7. So it's 39. Oh, I still have 30. Okay, still have. So roll again. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 28. I think I will owe now. 39 plus 28 is 67. Yeah, I will owe here now. 50, 55, 30, 40, 50, 55 minus 55. So I owe here another $12. OMG. So it's not finished yet because I think I can write down how much I save here. So it's how much again? 39 plus 28, 67. So 67. Just there's no more money, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you like it. If you happen to finish this, please comment green heart. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Have a great night. Hope to see you again. Bye for now and see you later. Be grateful always. Thanks, God. Thank you very much, lovelies. Thank you. Bye.